Motorola One 2020. Motorola One 2020 smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.3 GHz, single-core, Cryo 475 plus 2.2 GHz, single-core, Cryo 475 plus 1.8 GHz, hexa-core, Cryo 475 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Motorola One 2020 smartphone has IPS LCD display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and 386 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 20MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 48+8+5+2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4660 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, NFC and more. Motorola One 2020 price. Motorola One 2020 smartphone price is likely to be $427.67, 31,990 rupees. Motorola One 2020 is to be launched in the country on March 28, 2020, unofficial. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.